It's funny, there's ducks in the air and you can't even see them because it's snowing. Hear them though. Take a look up. Nowhere to be seen. Anyways, I'm Johnny and welcome to Jendell Overland. Today I'm going to talk to you about wireless CarPlay. What do I mean by wireless CarPlay? Well, every time that I go on one of my trips, I always got to plug my cell phone into the actual stereo system. Well, now, One Car Stereo has sent me this AI box light, and I'm going to show you how this works. We're going to hook it up together, and it's going to enable wireless CarPlay on my Jeep. Not to mention give me some other features as well. Join me. So in order to set this up, all you gotta do is plug this back in like this. Just like that, and then this plugs right into the USB port. And if you got a USB with your songs on it, just plug it into this side. And you'll still be able to get your music. Now I'm gonna plug it in here. We're just going to wait for it to enable. And now we've got wireless CarPlay. This is going to give us some extra features. I'm going to show you what those cool features are. I'm just going to set up this device. We're going to pair. And now it's connecting. And look at that. I've got the Waze app up on my screen and it's not plugged in. That's awesome. So let's go and see what other stuff we have in here. That's pretty cool. Some other apps that we have is Netflix. Tell me when you're out on a trail or something and you get to your camp and you get nothing to do all night. Throw a movie on. That's awesome. Now we just touch the button anywhere and then we'll just hit this little square box and that'll bring us back to the home. What else do we got on here? YouTube. For all you YouTubers out there or people who watch YouTube, that's awesome. What better than to check out some of my favorite YouTubers out on the trails when I'm out on the trails?
Alright everybody, so first of all, shout out to my mother-in-law.
That's pretty awesome.
Secondly, we're gonna get these lockers fixed. Sounds like Christian.
What else do we got on here? We've got video that's on your phone, which I don't think I have any right now. Let's just take a quick look. Yeah, there's nothing on there. And then I've got my music as well. Apps, music. So that's the music that's coming through here. So all of my songs, because I'm using this input, I'm not losing all of my music. I don't have to plug it in down here where I usually would plug in my phone. So now that could be used for charging my wife's phone if she wants to use it. So when I give this a thumbs up, definitely. Would I recommend it to other Jeep users? Absolutely. And it's not just for Jeeps. This could be for any vehicle out there that does not support wireless CarPlay. This will enable wireless CarPlay for all those vehicles. So if you're interested in one of these, click the link below and purchase one right from the site. This will be an affiliate link to my channel, so it's going to help my channel out a little bit. But in the meantime, you're going to get something that's very cool for your vehicle. So I definitely recommend it. So on your Jeep, you get navigation, which I find a lot of the times when you use it, it's not very accurate. It doesn't give you a direct line to your destination. So in the CarPlay app, one of the things that you get is the Waze app, which I find is probably the best navigation app out there. And what I mean by that is it'll tell you what the wind is like, if there's any construction, if there's heavy traffic, and it'll get you the quickest way there possible. And how it works is other people like me who have the app report problems on the road live. So if there's a car pulled over to the side of the road right now, it's going to be on there right now. It's not going to be updated every 5 minutes. It's instantly updated. So it is the most accurate navigation app on the market today. And it comes free with this product. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I do notice that 81% of the people that are watching my videos are not subscribed. So please do me a favor, help out my channel and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified from my next video. I want to give a shout out to One Car Stereo for sending me this in order for me to give my review and tell you people out there what I think of it. That's it for this week, guys. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you guys again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.